There are three ways to make money trading Forex in 2024. One is copy trading. Copy trading is another popular way to potentially make money trading Forex in 2024. It involves replicating the trades of successful traders, either manually or through automated systems provided by the trading platforms. This method allows less experienced traders to benefit from the expertise of more seasoned traders. The second method is by trading signals. Utilizing trading signals is also a common method for making money in Forex trading. Trading signals are generated by experienced traders or automated algorithms and provide buy or sell recommendations based on market analysis. Subscribers to these signals can then execute trades based on the signals they receive, potentially profiting from the suggested market movements. The third but not the least is learning how to trade Forex by yourself, which is indeed highly recommended by many experienced traders and financial experts. By educating yourself about market analysis, risk management, and trading strategies, you can develop a deep understanding of the Forex market and make informed trading decisions. This approach empowers you to adapt to changing market conditions and develop a personalized trading style that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. While it requires dedication and effort, self-dedicated learning can lead to sustainable success in Forex trading. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates on digital wealth revolution. Love you all.
Let's go.